Unlocking the secrets to a native English accent and fluency. Do you dream of speaking English with the confidence and clarity of a native speaker? Imagine expressing yourself effortlessly, captivating listeners with every word, and breaking down language barriers like they never existed. If this resonates with you, you're about to embark on a transformational journey. Let me show you how achieving a native English accent and fluency is not only possible but closer than you think. Step 1. Shift your mindset. Speak to connect, not just communicate. One of the biggest hurdles to mastering a native English accent is fear. Fear of making mistakes, sounding silly, or being judged. Let's flip the script. The goal isn't perfection, it's connection. When you prioritize expressing yourself and connecting with others, you'll naturally relax, paving the way for a more authentic and confident speaking style. Every time you speak, you're making progress, so celebrate it. Step 2. Tune your ears to excellence. Fluency starts with listening. You can't reproduce sounds you've never truly heard. Immerse yourself in native English content, podcasts, movies, TV shows, and even music. Pay attention to the rhythm, intonation, and pronunciation. Notice how native speakers emphasize certain words, the pauses they take, and the melody in their speech. Pro tip: shadowing is a game changer. Pick a short clip of a native speaker, pause after every sentence, and mimic it. Copy not just the words but also the tone, pace, and emotion. Over time, this practice will rewire your brain to speak naturally. Step 3. Get personal with pronunciation. Pronunciation is your passport to sounding native. Start by mastering the most challenging sounds in English. For example, the th sound in think and this. The difference between v and b. Clear vowels like the, in, about, the schwa sound. Use tools like online pronunciation guides or apps to hear these sounds in action. Practice them daily, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Focus on clarity, not speed. Native fluency comes when your words are crisp and easy to understand. Step 4. Rhythm and intonation, the music of English. Think of English as music. Just like every song has its rhythm and beat, so does English. Native speakers don't just speak, they sing their sentences. They stress certain words, soften others, and add emotion to their tone. To master this, read aloud while mimicking the flow of native speakers. Practice tongue twisters to improve your agility. Learn common phrases and idioms, as they'll help you naturally adopt native patterns. Exercise. Take a sentence like, "I can't believe it's already Friday." Say it with excitement, surprise, or disbelief. Feel how your tone changes with each emotion. This is the magic of intonation. Step 5. Surround yourself with English. If you want to sound native, you need to live in English, even if it's from the comfort of your home. Set your phone and apps to English, think in English, and talk to yourself in English. Yes, talk to yourself. Narrate your day, describe what you're doing, or even practice conversations you'd like to have. Join communities, find language exchange partners, or join English-speaking groups online. Real conversations with real people are priceless for improving fluency and confidence. Step 6. Build a vocabulary that flows. Fluency is about more than just words, it's about how you use them. Focus on learning phrases, not isolated words. For example, instead of memorizing the word delicious, learn the phrase, "This meal is absolutely delicious." This will help you sound more natural and conversational. Tip: keep a vocabulary journal. Write down new words and phrases you hear, and use them in your daily conversations. Repetition is key. Step 7. Practice like a pro. Practice isn't just important, it's everything. The secret is to practice smart, not just hard. Dedicate time every day to speaking English, even if it's just 10 minutes. Use language apps, join online classes, or work with a tutor. Record yourself. Hearing yourself speak is a powerful way to identify areas for improvement. Don't be afraid to critique yourself and celebrate the progress you're making. Step 8. Embrace feedback and keep going. Mistakes are milestones. Each one is proof that you're trying and learning. Surround yourself with people who encourage you and offer constructive feedback. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Stay motivated, set small goals, like mastering a new phrase each week, and reward yourself when you achieve them. Consistency is your best friend on this journey. The end goal: be yourself in English. Achieving a native English accent and fluency isn't about losing your identity. It's about adding a new dimension to it. Your accent tells your story, and that's beautiful. Aim to be understood, confident, and authentic. Fluency isn't just about the words you say, it's about how you make others feel. You can do this! Picture this, a future where English flows from your tongue as naturally as your native language. Where you step into any conversation with confidence, leaving a lasting impression. That future is waiting for you. Take that first step today. Remember, every minute you spend learning brings you closer to your goal. You've got this! Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to mastering a native English accent and fluency. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button to show your support. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Explore the channel for more stories, practical tips, and engaging lessons that will inspire and empower your English learning. Your journey doesn't stop here, it's just beginning. Together, we can achieve fluency and confidence that will open doors you never thought possible. See you in the next video.